The lights in the harbor, they don't shine for me. I'm like a lost ship adrift on the sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on a sea of tears, sea of heartbreak, sea of heartbreak, heartbreak. How did I lose you? Oh, where did I fail? Why did you leave me? Waves to sail, sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on the sea of tears, sea of heartbreak, sea of heartbreak. Oh, what I'd give to sail back to shore, back to your arms once more. Come to my rescue, come here to me, take me and keep me away from the sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on the sea of tears, sea of heartbreak, 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 sea of heartbreak. Well, hi there, pluckers. Other Soul Fingers again with hopefully another interesting ditty for you. An old song from way back in 1961, and Sea of Heartbreak by a gentleman called Don Gibson. Also covered by various other people like Joe Brown in the UK, etc. Too many to mention probably, okay. So a nice little fun number this. Standard tuning, but I'm doing it with the capo on the 2nd fret. Mainly because I can't sing it in the original key by Don Gibson. If you want to play along with Don Gibson, just play everything I'm about to show you in standard tuning, no capos, okay? But unfortunately I can't sing it in that key very well, any key, but even worse in that key. But so I put this capo on for the lesson on 2nd fret, standard tuning, okay? So let's get to it. Nice easy song this really. Starts off with just a G strum, okay, standard G's fine. I'm just playing a reverse G, okay. And then just a bar of G, and then you've got this little ooh-ah bit, okay. So it goes. I'll get the right key. Okay, it's got that. So it's. And into the song, right? G. Lights in E minor, Saga, C. Don't shine for D, me. Nice and easy, isn't it? Okay, so G, E minor, C, D. Now obviously there's lots of bop 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 spin here, so I'm trying to do that on the guitar. So it's like the lights in the harbour. And all that is second on the from the E minor, second on the 4th, open D string, and then the C chord, 5 downwards. Okay, so it's lights in the harbour, C, hitting that 3rd on the 5th, okay, after the C, hitting that third on the fifth. Don't shine D on me. Okay, so right from the beginning, very simple. So it's the lights in the harbour don't shine on me. Now there's a little lead up to the G now, which is obviously on there. Boom, 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 boom. You can do that. If you can do that, fine. But if you can't do boom, 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 it's just open D string, second on the fourth, fourth on the fourth, and into the G again. Right? But if you can do the boom, 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 that's great. Okay, so the lights on the harbour don't shine for me. And then just repeats, okay? So it's I'm like a lost ship that drifts on the sea. Stop, okay? And there's a stop at that point, just a stop, abrupt, okay? So right from the beginning. The lights in the harbour don't shine for me. I'm like a lost ship adrift on the sea. Got it? So that's a verse. All the verses play the same. Into the chorus, okay? C of heartbreak, G, heartbreak, lost love and D, loneliness, memories of, back to G, your caress, G7, okay, from G to G7, so it goes so divine, okay, so it's G, C of heartbreak, lost love, D, loneliness, memories of G, so caress, G7, so divine, C, how I wish you were mine, G again my dear, I'm on D, C of tears, stop, C of G, heartache, C of C, heartache, heart D, heartache, okay, so that's the whole chorus. Let's do the chorus again, C of G, heartache, lost love D, loneliness, memories of G, your caress, G7, so divine, C, now I wish that you were mine, G, again my dear, I'm on D, to stop, C of G, heartache, C of C, heartache, D, heartache. Then we do another verse, yeah? It's exactly the same to play as the first verse. How did I lose you? Bom, bom, bom. When did I fail? Bom, 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 bom. Why did you leave me? Bom, bom, bom. Nobody said. Chorus again. Sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine, I wish you were mine again, my dear, I'm on the sea of tears, sea of heartbreak, sea of heartbreak. Right, this is where it goes into the bridge section. So after the second chorus, you come out of that, stop on the D, I'm in a sea of tears, C of G, heartache, to G7, C of heartbreak. So a bar of G and a bar of G7. So coming out of that second chorus, so divine, you wish you were again, my dear, I'm on the sea of tears, C of G, heartache, G7, C of heartache. Bridge, C, Oh, what I give to G, sail back to shore, back to sea, back to your arms once. B7, B7, right? So, and we're into another verse, the final verse, okay? So we'll go from the second chorus into the bridge and then into the final verse, okay? So, second verse. How did I lose you? Bom, bom, bom. How did I feel? Bom, 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 bom. How I did leave me? Bom, bom, bom. Always the sail, sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your success. I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on the sea of tears, sea of heartbreak. G7, sea of heartbreak. See, oh, I wish to give you G, say back to shore. See, back to your arms. B7, next verse. Come to the rescue. Bom, bom, bom. Come here to me. Bom, 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 bom. Take me and keep me. Bom, bom, bom. Away from the sea. Sea of heartbreak. Lost love and a chorus from you. Memories of your grace. So divine. I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on the sea of tears, sea of heartbreak. And we go. So this is the last chorus. So we come into the outro now. Okay. So it goes. So divine, I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on the sea of tears. Stop. Sea of G heartache. Sea of C. Heartache, D, C of G, heartache. C of C, heartache, R, D, C of G, heartache. C of heartache, R, C of heartache. Now basically it fades out on the original record, okay? So we just finish it on G, okay? So C of heartache. C of heartache, C of heartache, C of heartache, something like that. Yeah, and there you have it, boys and girls. A nice, easy tune for once. So thanks very much for watching this thing. I hope you enjoyed that oldie goldie, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.